In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira. To get started, open Jira software and sign in with your Atlassian account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken into the Jira workspace, where you can manage projects, tasks, and team progress all in one place. If you're brand new to Jira, don't worry. The main idea is simple. Projects hold your work, and issues are the individual tasks, bugs, stories, or larger pieces of work you need to track. Next, go to the top navigation bar and click Projects. From here, you can either create a new project or open an existing one if you've already been invited to it. If you choose to create a project, Jira will ask you to pick a template. Common options include Scrum, which is great for sprint-based planning, Kanban for continuous workflow, and task tracking for more general use. Choosing the right template helps set up the board and workflow that best matches how your team works. Once your project is ready, click the Create button to make a new issue. You'll then choose an issue type, such as a task, story, bug, or epic. After that, add a clear summary and a description so everyone understands what needs to be done. If the work should go to a specific person, assign the issue to that team member, and then click Create to add it to the project. From there, open your project board to organize the work. This is where you'll see issues moving through columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. As work moves forward, drag issues into the appropriate column so the board always reflects the current status. You can also update issue details like due dates, priorities, and labels whenever needed to keep everything accurate and easy to sort. To find work quickly, use filters or the search bar. You can search by project, assignee, status, priority, and other criteria. If there are searches you use often, save them so you can come back to them without repeating the same setup each time. To track progress, open the board or backlog to review ongoing work. You can also use dashboards to monitor project health through charts and reports. It's a good habit to review both completed and outstanding issues regularly so nothing gets overlooked. Jira also makes collaboration easy. Add comments directly to issues, mention teammates with the @ symbol followed by their username, and attach files, screenshots, or documents when extra context is helpful. When work is complete, move the issue to Done or update its status to Done or Closed, depending on your workflow. And if you want to go a step further, you can customize your workspace with dashboards, notifications, automation rules, and board settings to better fit your team's process.